Hello guys, so this is a tutorial of like how to um play Stakes Egghouse Classic Remastered. So this is how you do it. Alright, I'm just showing you. Alright, so this website is Game Banana. I'm gonna put the link down below from the description. Alright, so this is how you do it. So alright, so okay, so alright, so let's go and once alright, so you will see files and then egghouse 425.zip. So you download this. So yeah, you download it. So alright, so I'm gonna download it for you guys. Alright, so now you'll see this. Now download. It's not a virus, guys. It's not a virus. So yeah, it's not a virus. So you will open the file. Then you'll see this. Now press on this and then press extract all. So this is gonna be alright, so yeah, it's gonna be a long the shortest video ever. So extract all, extract. Alright, and then bam. Alright, press this once it extract that. Okay, now Baldi's Basics Classic. When you press this, it will take you to the game. Alright. Alright. Loud noises, jump scares. Alright, so yeah, and boom, bam. We did it. We did it. Alright, that's the shortest video. Okay, this is not virus. There's no viruses. So yeah, if there was viruses, it will block it for you. So it will not. It's not a virus, guys. Alright, so yeah, that's how you do it. Alright, so like and subscribe. Alright, yeah, I closed it out. Alright, so like and subscribe if you want me to do more tutorials like this. So bye bye.